Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the jack from a Dodge Durango. First, locate the jack in the rear cargo area. It's usually found beneath the floor panel, often near the spare tire. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level, firm surface, and the parking brake is engaged for safety before you begin. This ensures stability while you access the tools. Once you've identified the general location, clear any items from the cargo area that might obstruct your access. Gently lift the carpeted floor panel to expose the storage compartment underneath. You'll see the jack assembly, often nestled alongside other tools like the lug wrench. It's usually held firmly in place to prevent rattling during driving. Now, to remove the jack, you'll need to release its securing mechanism. This is typically a large plastic wing nut or a strap that holds it down. Turn the wing nut counterclockwise until it's completely loose, or unclip the strap. Once released, carefully lift the jack straight up and out of its designated spot. It should come out easily. Remember, safety is paramount when using any vehicle tools. Always refer to your owner's manual for detailed, model-specific instructions and safety precautions. When you're finished, ensure the jack is properly secured back in its compartment. This prevents it from becoming a projectile in case of sudden stops, keeping everyone safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.